What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Nate's video. So today, this is like 2 hours after I made the video when I showed you guys my homemade Fidget. So here it is. I just made some freaking upgrades. Like I said, I've spent like an hour maybe making some upgrades to it. It still looks the same. You guys can't tell. But this thing that's been for like more than 40 cents, that's pretty freaking good for homemade. So I'll show you guys it right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. That fidget spinner is really good for homemade, so peace out.